Thank you, everybody. We'll be off to the next part of the program shortly, so thanks for bearing with me. My name is Chris Jung, and I'm the CEO of Fluid IQ. We are a for-profit public benefit corporation. And every year, millions of people are injured by a 70-year-old technology that's inconsistent, manual, and harms patients nearly 90% of the time. This device is called the bag valve mask, and I'm pretty sure everybody's seen one. And what we don't mention, weird, okay, is that it's a 70-year-old standard of care that harms patients regardless of how aware you are of how dangerous it is or your experience. So with that, oh, I see. With that, nearly 75,000 patients are injured by this device. This is from overinflation or overpressurization of the lungs, and it's very easy to do because this is a manual device, and it's also very easy to forget to inflate the bag manually. So after 5 minutes, you could see that the lung starts to exhibit some trauma, and after 20 minutes, it's almost unrecognizable. So single-use devices that can save lives and shorten stays for patients is the ultimate goal. Now, in this picture, we see something very unusual in 2021. In a time when we probably can't agree on the color of the sky, everybody is pushing the same direction for this gentleman right here. We're all pushing and striving for a sooner or faster release date. And when you're dealing with lung protective ventilation, it's been shown that this will pull you off the ventilator a day faster, save you 3 days in the hospital, and up to $6,000 just in direct costs related to your care. So tools that put patients and providers first need to be invented. This is the Hope Invent. It's the world's smallest automatic resuscitator. All you do is hook up oxygen, set the flow rate, and it will automatically provide this lung protective, life-saving care without the risks associated with the manual resuscitator. It has preset pressures that offer the lung protective ventilation. Because it's hands-free and requires minimal training, we believe it will lower the chances of damage or injury to patients. And it's MRI safe because it's plastic. This can actually go into the MRI with the patient. Those that aren't familiar, usually when you're receiving some kind of imaging and you're being ventilated, they will have to manually inflate you either on the course to the MRI or during the course of changing you onto a transport ventilator. So they're reintroducing risk just at the time they're trying to heal you. I'm sorry, folks, this is normally a quicker presentation. So what is Fluidics technology? Basically, Fluidics technology is a valveless technology that uses no sensors, computers, or software to achieve very precise pressure and flow control. Here's an animation of how it works. Basically, oxygen enters from the barb, a jet is formed, and this jet likes to stick to this wall. And we've designed this device to basically release when the pressure of the lungs hit. When the lung is hit a certain pressure, the jet can no longer fill the lung, and it switches to another side, letting the lung exhaust, and this process repeats itself indefinitely. We believe in a world that can be made better with fluid intelligence or fluidics. We started as a volunteer effort during the COVID-19 crisis. Well-staffed team of experts, really focused. What we recognized early on during the crisis was the issue was a shortage of components. So we focused on making a device that could be fully 3D printable anywhere on the planet. The manual resuscitator market, which is our first market of focus, is currently a $500 million market, looking to grow to roughly $900 million by 2028. And our main focus early on is going to be in the hospital and EMS, as well as the developing world. We have a management team with over 200 years of experience. spanning from the areas of engineering, life sciences, and commercializing medical devices. Here's a little preview of our future roadmap. We're really looking at a robust roadmap over the next 4 or 5 years. And our business model is really predicated on our ability to iterate and design quickly. With 3D printing, this really enables us to make designs very quickly and release them at a very low cost. So we've been very capital efficient. And if you folks have any questions or comments, please reach out to me directly, Chris at FluidIQ, or my favorite, set up a Calendly appointment at bizdev.fluidiq.org for a one-on-one conversation. So thank you folks for your time, and I hope you guys never have to see this.